summer to Malaya. Hello, welcome to Malaysia. Come on a trip to Malaysia with me, you'll love it. Malaysia is the place to be. There's so many things to explore, and there are heaps of things to do and see. The food in Malaysia is delicious. Their traditional food is laksa, noodles, and heaps more. There are so many places to stay in Malaysia, like a 5-star resort on the beach, or in the city, near the Petronas Twin Towers. Wow! Healthcare in Malaysia is great. It is mainly the responsibility of the government's ministry. Malaysia has a widespread and efficient healthcare. The Petronas Twin Towers would be the place to go in Kuala Lumpur. They're an extraordinary tourist attraction. Did you know that the Petronas Twin Towers were the tallest building between 1998 and 2004? The landscape in Malaysia is amazing, from tall buildings to long walks on the beach. The resorts in Malaysia are magnificent. If you just walk a little while, you can see an orangutan up close. Besides, from built-in attractions, there are heaps of natural ones, like the Batu Caves, which are an awesome place to be. If you decide to stay longer, there are great schools in Malaysia that would be perfect for any child to go to. The main clothing in Malaysia is Indian, Chinese, and Malayan. The currency in Malaysia is ringgit. And did you know that if you bought something in Malaysia for only $1, it would only cost 33 cents in Australia? In 1997, the first flag design of Malaysia was made. Malaysia, Malaysia, the place to be. Malaysia, Malaysia, come and see. Get started on packing those bags. Malaysia awaits.